Hey guys, I'm Aditya Menon and I'm a final year student in journalism and mass communication at Chandigarh University. So that means within a few months I'm going to become an alumni. And I wanted to share my experience in Chandigarh University. Even though my experience has been very profound, I have enjoyed the number of events that Chandigarh University hosts. I have enjoyed attending my classroom. I have enjoyed each and everything, each and every experience of mine that has been in Chandigarh University. Let's just say it was a rocky start, but it was a smooth finish. And I would like to say something about Chandigarh University, that is, it has never made me feel homesick. Obviously, I was also an hostler at Chandigarh University, so that means I was away from home for a lot of time. So basically, Chandigarh University gave me that homely feeling that I wanted and I needed. So it was my home away from home. I had a second family there at Chandigarh University, along with all my friends and my faculties who were more like my parents, always guiding me and treating me and putting me in the right path. So I would like to talk about the events that Chandigarh University has. Chandigarh University has massive, large-scale events every year. It's not just yearly, it's more like a monthly basis. There are so many events. We have Agas, we have AIU, we have the Media Fest, we have the CU. We talk about education. In my own field, that is journalism and mass communication, in our college we had at least one seminar lecture almost every week, which was really good because we got to speak with experts in our field about our field. So we got a lot of information from them regarding our future, which was very good. We got to speak to people as the editor of Hindustan Times. We got to see the trip. We had our own college trips as well, where faculties were with us. But I swear to God, I don't think I could have had a better time, because we got to see the other side of our faculty as well. I mean, there's the one where they're strict. They're telling us we have to study, we have to submit assignments. But then there was the part where we got to see them having fun with us, dancing, singing. And I believe that trip was more like a, let's say, icebreaker for us with our teachers. To conclude, I would just like to say that Chandigarh University means a lot to me. It was my bachelor's year, so basically the first time I've ever been away from my house, and it was a completely different experience. I loved that experience, and I have a lot of things to share, but not a lot of time. Also, I believe Chandigarh University is the place to be, because it's not just about the trips anymore, or the lectures, the seminars, the events. It's a beautiful campus as well. We have n number of things in our campus as well. I don't think many of you know, but there is a Domino's. There are many things to eat. There's a Subway there. Not a lot of things that you get in other universities. I think my university has given me all it could, and now with all that skill and knowledge, I'm going to go ahead in life.